What's going on, everybody? Brian Loger here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to download and extract your PlayStation Portable games and put them in a PlayStation Portable Games folder. So right here I have games right here, ATV Off-Road Fury Pro and Sega Rally Revo, but I also have the save data that goes with these games. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do those. So, step one is to find a game that you want to download and download the save file for. So let's go to Google Chrome, and let's type in cdromance.org. And I will leave a link in the description down below to this website to where you can get CD Romance right here. This is their official website. This is where you can get all of the games for PS1, Sega Saturn, PS2, Game Boy, Nintendo, and you can search a game. Let's search up Need for Speed Pro Street. Here we are. We have some copies right here. So as you see, we have PS2, Nintendo DS, and PlayStation Portable. And they come with this version and this version. Now pay close attention, because you may accidentally click on the wrong game. And the way that you would know what game you're looking for is by looking at the flag at the bottom right for the console. So if you're going to get this on PSP, we have the flag right here, which is a USA flag, which means this is an NTSC-U version. This one right here, this is a PAL copy of the game. So we're going to download the PSP version. We're going to click on it. And we have this right here. Then we want to go down to where it says Find Links. Click on it. And it'll show this right here. Now don't worry. This is a free download. And we're going to extract it when we're done. So let's click on it. And it'll start downloading right there. Now the next step is to find a save file. So let's head over to gamefax.gamespot.com, and I will leave this website in the description down below too. And here we are. This is their official website, gamefax.com. You can search for game titles. Let's search Need for Speed Pro Street. Pro Street. Here it is right here. And then you want to hover over the PlayStation 2, and then you will see all of these different consoles that this game can run. So we're going to click on PSP. Now we're on the PSP. So now what we need to do is we need to click on Saves, and then we go down to where it says PSP Game Save Directory Zip. And this is North America, which is NTSC, and you can click on any one of these right here. So for this video purpose, we're going to download this one from Ace 760. 96% complete, all cars, and lots of money. We're going to download it, and that's an instant download. They're both right here, so we can exit out of here and here. So now what we need to do is we need to load up File Explorer. Perfect. And then we need to go to Downloads, and now we have the Pro Street PlayStation Portable 7-zip file. and the zip folder that contains the save file. So let's go ahead and do this one right here. And if you don't have 7-zip installed, I will leave a link to 7-zip's website in the description down below to help you install 7-zip. So, if you do have 7-zip installed on your computer, you want to right-click, go to 7-zip, and then extract to wherever the file is. So let me show you again. Okay. This is the title of the 7-zip. Right-click, 7-zip, extract to file name. You want to click extract, and then it will start extracting the file, and then we can delete the file. Then we can click on this, and there it is right there, the disk image file. And then we can move this by holding the game, left click, and don't let go. Drag it down to your folder for PSP Games. And then once that's done, we can load up PlayStation Portable, and then we can go to Games, and here it is right here, Need for Speed Pro Street. All launched up and ready to go. Go to Emulation, Stop, and then it's already appeared in our recent. But that is only half of the project. Now the other half of it is to get it into now the other half is saving the save file, which we have right here, which is the zip file. So we want to right-click, 7-zip, and then extract to file name. And then it'll be instantly done. We can delete this, double-click on the file, and this right here is another file for the DS store, but that's not the one we need. This is the one we need right here. This has the save. So what we need to do is we need to right-click, click on Cut, and then go to Save Data, which is right here. Then we want to hold Control and press V, and there it is right there. Gonna minimize that program, and then let's grab our Xbox One controller. We're gonna click on the PlayStation Portable icon again, make this maximized, click on Pro Street, and then if we did it correctly, the save data would be there. Let's start. We can go down to My Need for Speed, Game Data, or no, I do not remember. Yep, you see all of those names right there. Let's go to Career, Continue. Here it is right here. Level max, 13 tracks completed. That's all good. Quick play. Let's do grip, circuit, assist off. Find the course that you want to do. Let's just go with Texas World Speedway. We have the oval. We're going to go with the oval. And here are the cars. All the cars are basically unlocked in this game. And there we go. And then you could also go back to the downloads, and you can delete this here. Right click on recycle bin, empty recycle bin, yes. And then if you want to check to make sure the thing is still saved, go and open PlayStation Portable icon, click on the game, wait for it to load up, and then we start, career, continue, and there you go. All of the save data has been extracted and put into the save data folder in the PlayStation Portable Emulator itself. And the games are located in a folder under the name PSP Games. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to extract PlayStation Portable games and extracting save files for PlayStation Portable. Hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, I will leave those websites in the description down below so you guys can check it out yourselves. But with that being said, my name is Brian Loger, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.